Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize to change your resolution in Capcut PC. So there's no default presets resolutions. I'm going to show you how you can change the resolution the way you want and without using any default kind of resolutions in Capcut. So if this video is going to help you and you learn something, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it. And now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do after you import your video, if you go right here where you see original, here you have the option to customize. So from here you can click on adapt or customize. From here you can change the resolution the way you want, exactly the way you want. We can also change the frame rate and click on save. And now as you can see, you have the exact resolution you set to your video. So that's how you do it. I hope you learned something. If you have any suggestions for the next Capcut tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.